Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gloria. Welcome to Ask Dr. Gloria channel where we make health and wellness simple and easy to understand. Our motto here is learn smart, live well, and be happy, right? Yes, I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Before we dive in, make sure you like and subscribe. Plus, very important, drop your health questions or topic ideas in the comments below so I can cover them in future video. Thank you. Let's dive in. This quiz contains multiple choice questions from different competitive and academic exams. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Pause the video if needed. Top questions on lipid structures and metabolism. Question 1. What is the major site of lipid digestion in the body? C. Question 2. Which lipoprotein is known as good cholesterol? C. Question 3. Which of the following is not considered one of the major class of lipids? B. Question 4. Lingual lipase is secreted by the dash and is active at a pH of about 4 to 4.5. B. Question 5. Which class of lipid is primarily responsible for long-term energy storage in mammalian adipose tissue? A. Question 6. Cholesterol is an essential lipid in the human body. So, what is its primary role regarding homeosynthesis? D. Question 7. What is the structural hallmark of an unsaturated fatty acid compared to a saturated fatty acid? B. Question 8. The omega number in a fatty acid refers to D. So, the other question says identify the following fatty acid based on its structure. But before we go into that, I want to just refresh your memory and make you understand something. When naming the fatty acid structures, you should understand. Can you see the structure right here? Good. Just an example before we proceed. Now, the methyl group. The methyl group on its own, it's called omega group also. Okay? The methyl end, we have the omega end. And the methyl end is often written as CH3. Now, this can be by the left-hand side, it can be by the right-hand side. Okay? So it doesn't matter which side it is. All you need to identify is the methyl end. Where is the methyl end? What you need to identify again is identify where the alpha end is, which is the carboxylic acid. Okay? The alpha end is the carboxylic acid, written as COOH. Now, when you know this, it's going to be very easy for you to answer the question, for you to be able to number the fatty acid. Now we have the methyl end. Looking at the structure in front of you, we have the methyl end, and then we have the fatty acid backbones, right? And then we have the carboxylic end, which is the alpha end. Now, if we have, like say, double bond in between them, this makes them unsaturated fatty acid. Without the double bond, they are saturated. So, let's go into our question. Question 9. It says, identify the following fatty acid based on its structure. Now, question 9, identify the structure in front of you. B. Now you're like, for most people that are confused, but I am very sure you know this, right? Yes. So how do you name it? Like I said, always know where your methyl end is and know where your alpha end is, the carboxylic end is. Now, how many carbon do you see from the structure? This is 20 carbon. It's a long chain fatty acid. It consists 20 carbon backbone. The counting of the carbon is about the backbone. Now, how many double bond do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double bond. Now, how do we know if this is omega 3 or omega 6? This is about the final double bond that is located exactly 3 carbon away from the terminal methyl end. Now, that is why I said you need to know where your methyl end is. So, exactly 3 carbon away from the terminal methyl end counts. 1, 2, 3. This makes it omega 3. Okay? And that is why our answer is B. Now, question 10. Identify the fatty acid structure in front of you. D. Question 11. Identify the following fatty acid structure. A. Thanks for watching today. Remember to learn smart and live well. Until next time, I'm Dr. Gloria. Take care of yourself.